Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Quddus. This special name means the most pure. Let's understand what pure means. Think of crystal clear water. It's clean, fresh, and has nothing mixed in it. That's what we call pure. Allah Al-Quddus is perfect in every way. He has no faults or mistakes. Everything He creates is perfect and beautiful. When we do good things with a pure heart, like helping others, being kind, or telling the truth, we're trying to be a little bit like Al-Quddus. Let's look at some examples. Clean water is pure while muddy water isn't. A clean white paper is pure while a paper with scribbles isn't. A pure heart is filled with love and kindness. We can try to keep our hearts pure by being honest, kind, and doing good deeds. Remember, Allah loves those who try to be pure. Can you spot what's pure? A beautiful rainbow in the sky, the smell of flowers, the love of your parents. These are all pure and beautiful things Allah Al-Quddus has created. Remember, Allah Al-Quddus is the most pure. He loves purity and goodness. Let's try to keep our hearts pure by doing good things.